안녕하세요. I'm Haeyeon and welcome to my kitchen in Seoul, Korea.
Today, I'm going to share another Korean vegan noodle dish called bibimguksu. Bibimguksu is a spicy cold noodle dish that's sweet, salty, sour, and spicy all in one bite. Let's make the sauce first. In a big bowl, put gochujang, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, orange juice, and sesame oil. Mix it. Don't forget the garlic. Mince it. Put it in the sauce and mix it again. Julienne the carrot, the cucumber, and the onion. Cook the noodles for about 3.5 minutes and rinse them with cold water. Put the noodles in the bowl with the sauce. Put the cucumber, the carrot, and the onion, some sesame seeds, and mix it. Drizzle some sesame oil, sprinkle some sesame seed, squeeze some tangerine juice, and add a little pepper. Look at this.
잘 먹겠습니다. This is so good.